Okay, so today we're doing the wound assessment. So we'll begin by lowering the bed rails first, or raising the bed head to appropriate working height for myself. Bed rails. I'll begin by doing my worst surgery.
Inside of the lid is not touched. Just going to use my forceps for this upside down. Ensuring I have enough. I'm just going to put scissors on just letting that touch.
I'll wipe down.
And then using the lid again. Now I'm going to
This will be my garbage receptacle.
I'm just going to remove
Sure to doff my gloves.
grab the old packing tape and discarding both of them at once.
And perform some hand hygiene.
Now that I did that, I can just
Now I'll be removing the packaging on the wound. Prior to that, I'll don some gloves, a fresh pair of clean gloves.
and I'm going to put on my sterile gloves. Same way I'm just opening them, keeping in mind that 2.5 centimeter border. So I'm going to start with my dominant hand first.
Begin by removing the combine pad
For my hand, no, I can.
and any of the gauze that come with it. I'll take care to note any drainage.
As I bring it there, so you think like when you put your gloves off, hand high. 1, 2, 3, 4.
We're able to take these gloves off.
Now my sterile gloves.
Now, prior to setting up the sterile field, we'll make sure to get our environment set up. Start with the sulfur pad.
Now that my sterile gloves are on, we are going to irrigate the wound. So I'm going to take my syringe.
Our
It
KBS.
should be 30 milliliters, but I only have 10. So we're just going to
We'll begin by getting our material sorted. So we have the scissors, syringe, any 2x2s and 4x4s that may be needed,
take the cap off. Now
cleaning solution, irrigation solution,
here and just irrigate it in a zigzag motion.
and then
Position my patient so that the irrigation. Oh, that would be a great idea. Just zigzag motion downwards.
remove the sterile field and begin by opening away from us.
Making sure that this is done. So now that I'm
Taking care to make sure there's more overhang over the edge of the desk so as not to touch my scrubs.
just leave this to the side. So now I'm going to just dry the wound. So
Side.
I'm going to take one 2x2 gauze and I'm going to
Grab
put it into a dumpling.
Forceps.
Grab it with my sterile forceps, and I'm just going to dry from here to
Now
outer.
we can
So just one swipe
hang the forceps off the one.
and discard. And take another one. Another
We'll begin by,
dumpling.
this is our cleaning solution. Now that, because it is an open bottle, we'll make sure to lip it.
One side of the
Now, of
other.
course,
We'll open.
imagine our lipping,
That would be
and we'll pour our
discarded.
cleaning solution into
Ensuring
the
that my
sterile tray.
sterile forceps do not touch the patient or the abdomen. Just do another dumpling and wipe the other side. And just one more wipe.
We'll take care to place some gauze, making sure to do the banana peel method
Bingo.
into the tray,
Now that that's
eliminating any garbage that may,
and I'm just going to place it into a normal.
making sure to add some 4x4s as well.
Place it a little bit. Now that that's done, I'm just going to rinse it a little. I'm just going to wrap it around my finger.
4x4.
Very lightly, not too thickly. Enough. I'm going to take my other sterile forceps and we're just going to move over here. And I'm just going to lightly pack the wound, ensuring that the forceps don't touch the wound.
And other things that may need to go into the sterile field are the syringe for irrigation,
So I'm packing it not too tightly, just enough so it's there. Discard that now. And I'm just going to put just simple
a
2x2
suture
gauze
kit, scissors.
right over the wound. And we're done.
Make sure to open. Taking care to keep the sharp end on the sterile field.
I missed something, but you know,
As well as our combine pad.
this, I forgot to.
ribbon gauze that we'll be adding. We'll uncap it, fold it upside down, and we're able to pull out as much as we feel is needed. Any excess is still sterile, so to maintain sterility. Finally, we want to sharpen. Okay, now that our sterile field is set up, we still need to unpack the wound, so I'll don on some gloves.
That was in the way,
Because this is still clean technique, not sterile technique, we'll also make sure to remove our cotton tip applicator for measuring purposes as well. Only the cotton part is to remain sterile. So we'll grab our sterile forceps. Eliminate any of the packing. And we can eliminate these forceps as well. Measuring, we begin by measuring length across the widest part. We'll go for width in the center point. And then we're also measuring for any tunneling and depth, making sure that all aspects of the wound are covered. We can eliminate the measuring tool here. Now, take off these gloves. Space to apply our sterile gloves. Open, grab it from the sides. Grabbing one. And now we will maintain sterility throughout. We begin by irrigating the wound. Approximately enough solution to irrigate the wound. And when we irrigate the wound, we take care to irrigate in a zigzag pattern, making sure there's no pooling, and that any excess irrigation fluid or cleaning solution is caught into the K basin. Here, we're able to grab our forceps. So taping gauze. Grab the 2x2s. Top. Now we can add our 4x4s. prior to adding our 4x4s, we'll make sure to repack the wound, which is why we have our second pair of forceps. Making sure to cover them in the cleaning solution. With the dexterity, we'll unpack it we'll unpack the gauze. Making sure not to pack too tightly, but just from end to end, covering all surfaces.
Yeah, I remember that.
These forceps are no longer necessary. And now we'll apply the 4x4. One. Second 4x4. And now that the wound is sufficiently covered, we can doff our sterile gloves. Applying our combine cloud. Position it. We'll make sure to apply some tape.
Yeah. But there's no this she takes the video, she takes also the video. Oh, I guess it's sterile, so it doesn't matter.
And that concludes the wound assessment.